Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And last time we did the weird. Anyways, last time that we did this, um, we got to that number. That's a pretty high number in my opinion. And so this video, I am planning to get the black hole, and then try and get $4,000 in damages. So that's the video idea. That's basically what we're gonna do. Yeah, I need to get a lawyer bill for $4,000. I need to do this one still. Damn it, I forgot about that. Aside from that, we're just going to do some things. I don't know, should I get this? Nah. Okay, so I don't know how we keep on, or I keep on getting damaged when I'm doing this, but the reason might be very simple, and that's because I'm not a careful pizza person. Come here. So we're going to try and be extra careful.
Remember, there's a curve that sets things straight.
What the f-
Okay.
that probably doesn't count, right?
Hey, coming in. You better be whack.
Huzzah! Anyways, I can't tell which one's broken and which one. That one's not broken.
Copy that. Crap.
That one's not broken. Yeah, those are all broken. Damn it, that didn't break the door. Okay, let's see how he did. Come on. $5. I fucking hate this. I really need to clear out this area before I do something. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, cool.
here for a moment, please.
What the Hey, no. You. Come on. Oh well. It is what it is.
When you're ready, inhale.
Can't change nothing about it.
Before you exhale, think about relaxing.
Grab it.
This is made. I have a name, you robot. Almost at 27 now. It'll go through your stuff.
You ain't getting a lawyer bill out of me.
Hey! This is
Ay, ay, ay. Oh no. Oh boy. Hmm. Whoosh. Damn it. I can't take any damage. Oh my god, I hate this. How could the game do something so horrible to me? Beat makes sense.
We'll find a point on the floor to look at in front of you.
Come here.
Stand here for a moment, please.
I don't know if that one broke.
When you're ready, breathe in.
Huh? Then
When
just
you're
go
ready,
to.
inhale.
Reported a bit of a hubbub.
Oh, how awful! I suppose you want me to deal with it. Making my way to 27.
Alright, double slow motion. very long. Okay, you know what? We're just going to try and unlock the black hole, and then we're just going to try and do this challenge getting the black hole. The black hole seems very powerful, so we're going to do that. I want to do this one this time. You know why? Because I like it. It's pretty cool. Hmm. Oh, there it is. But then we're going to just. Really? What makes you say that?
Hey, old 27.
Did my accent. Okay.
Rock and roll. That's the motherfucker.
Okay. I think I messed everything up that I can. No. Oh. I'm gonna do the first road again, the budget one. I wonder how much you'll get from just destroying things in there. And here, not in there. Fuck.
It sounds like you're needed in room 27. Over.
Yeah, Mud.
Huh?
That's roll 29.
No.
How's you been? I'm here to change your dirty shit.
Just say shit.
Really?
Oh, there.
That's so
Well, that's embedding in there now.
I'm on my way. I have good reason to believe you're damaging hotel property, and that is a crime.
No, it isn't. I paid for the room. I'm gonna use it for to the full extent. Fuck you. Is this? Just going to. And I'm out of here. Oh. It's pretty good money. Pretty sure the black hole is like 150,000. Let me try this one. Hmm. What if I shot it? What would happen then? Give me this. Ah. Smells like shit, like always.
We have a disturbance in 27. Assistance.
Oh shit. Break the table.
I'm not far from 27. Knock, knock.
No, no, no.
You call for an exotic dancer.
Trust me, you're not that exotic, buddy.
I didn't want to come in anyway.
I don't know about that one, but the way how you sound.
I'm walking over now to speak to our guest.
Okay, give me this. Watch this
Received
since.
a number of complaints that
No, you do not. Oh my gosh. Oh. Hold up. There's one guy that is perfectly like that. Here. No. Come on, I'm gone. I'm dead again. Come on, there had to be more important stuff in there. Also, I poked him with my finger. What the fuck? Anyways. Someone saw the end of the. Oh, okay. I like the revolver, so I'm gonna bring the revolver. This is probably my favorite hotel because it's like very nice. Except for the fucking sushi. Where does it even come from? Like, there's no... Oh, you wanna go? No. Fuck you. Oh. Fuck you. You know what? I make the demands here. I tell you to shut the fuck up. I said shut the fuck up.
I am correct. How can
Please take a look. Over.
Roger that. Bluebird has left the nest. With the handle. Number 27. I'll just let myself in. Have it your way.
Why can't I hear you? 2 times. And I will. My way is so much better. What the f- Am I getting killed by the weight of my actions? Like, what the f- Oh! Oh, I got enough. Let's go. Let's go. I got enough for the winnings. I got enough for the winnings. Let's fucking go. Let's see fucking gold. Sold out. Yeah, I bet. Oh, well, that was easy. I wonder, do I have enough for that? Just enough. Okay, so we are going to try out the black. Where the fuck did it go? you know, I paid good money for the black hole. So tell me, where the fuck is it? This can't hurt that much. Ah! Oh my gosh. Fuck you. Anyways. Yeah, I got it. So tell me, where the fuck is my stuff? Damn it, I lost my damn. We're going to try this for the with the black hole, of course. Because what good is something if the weaknesses outweigh it? And I brought along some other things in case if it fails.
Close your eyes.
Ooh,
And find a point
I'm guessing that the person that made that was very horny. Now, how do I use this? Oh, okay, do not break it. Okay, do not break it. Oh, you do then.
What are they doing in room 27?
June, you really shouldn't use that language.
Hey, room 27.
Ow! Holy shit, it's eating everything. Oh.
Get to my toilet roll.
It nearly broke every window. Holy shit. No! I don't want it. And I don't need it anymore. Hiya! Huzzah! So we're going to go down here. Come on. And then we're gonna go in this spooky room. Fuck you. Then we're going to take some pills. Hell yeah. Hell yeah! Hiya! That lagged the fuck out of the game. Hell yeah! Ugh. I'm out of here. Oh. Okay, we're going to try that again, but with a bit more success.